When it comes to transactional emails, choosing the right platform is crucial for your business's communication and success. In today's video, we're diving deep into AWeber versus SendGrid, two popular choices in the world of email marketing, and I'll be giving you a breakdown of which one is best for transactional emails. Stick around because, after covering the pros and cons of both, I'll be recommending a competitor that stands out for this specific use case. You don't want to miss this one. First off, let's talk about AWeber. AWeber is known for being a solid, well-established email marketing platform. While it excels at marketing campaigns, when it comes to transactional emails, AWeber does have some limitations. Transactional emails are messages triggered by customer actions, like purchase confirmations, password resets, and account updates. AWeber can technically handle these, but its features around transactional emails aren't as robust as they could be. It's a bit more focused on marketing campaigns, which means you may not get the speed and reliability needed for time-sensitive emails. Not the best choice if you need something streamlined for transactional purposes. Next thing to consider is SendGrid. SendGrid is widely recognized for its strong focus on transactional emails. It has a solid infrastructure designed specifically to handle large volumes of these types of emails quickly and reliably. With SendGrid, you can expect great deliverability, a powerful API, and detailed analytics for your transactional emails. However, it isn't without its flaws. While SendGrid shines in transactional emails, its user interface can be a bit more complex, especially for beginners, and their support isn't always the fastest. So, if you're looking for a simple and easy-to-use platform, SendGrid might not be the most user-friendly option. The third thing to look at is pricing. Both AWeber and SendGrid offer competitive pricing, but there's a big difference in how they charge for transactional emails. AWeber charges based on the number of subscribers you have, which works well for marketing emails, but might not be ideal for transactional emails. With transactional emails, you're paying for each email sent, which can get pricey if you have a high volume. SendGrid, on the other hand, typically offers a pay-as-you-go model for transactional emails, meaning you pay based on how many emails you send, making it more cost-effective for high-volume users. The fourth thing to keep in mind is features. AWeber comes with features like email templates, automation, and an easy drag-and-drop editor, but when it comes to transactional email management, it's a little behind. SendGrid, on the other hand, provides more in-depth tools for customizing your transactional emails, detailed analytics, and robust API access. For pure transactional email needs, SendGrid's focus on deliverability and scalability makes it the stronger contender. Finally, let's talk about reliability. SendGrid is built for sending large volumes of transactional emails with great deliverability, and it has a reputation for minimal downtime, which is key when it comes to time-sensitive messages. AWeber, while reliable for marketing emails, may not offer the same level of uptime or speed when it comes to transactional messaging. So, if reliability is your top priority for transactional emails, SendGrid is likely the better choice. Now, while both AWeber and SendGrid have their strengths, if you're serious about transactional emails and want a platform that handles them seamlessly, I have to recommend a better alternative. After trying all of these myself, if you're looking for a more efficient, cost-effective, and reliable solution for transactional emails, you'll want to check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. In conclusion, AWeber and SendGrid both offer solid email services, but for transactional emails, SendGrid takes the crown with its focus on deliverability, speed, and scalability. But if you're looking for something that does it even better, be sure to take advantage of the free trial through our link.